Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harold. In this video we are going to learn how to insert comments in action. So this is video number 34. So let's dive into it. Here you can see my data, and in this cell I want to insert a comment. So how can we do it? First we will go to that cell and right click, and you will see here insert comment. So just click here and write the comment. So I will say like, please update this cell, and done. So this is comment. This comment is updated. So if I want to hide this, I will go to this review tab and show hide comment. So this is now fine, and it indicates, this red color indicates that when I point to this cell, you can see my comment is showing. So if I go here, you can see please update this cell. If I want to show, then I can show all the comments. So suppose here in this cell I insert a comment. I will share insert comment. I will test, and okay. Now this, I will click here review tab and hide. So now if I want to show this all comment, review tab and show all comments. So now you can see my all comments is showing. Which comment you want to show, you can show it. So, and if you go to new comment, you can insert new comment, and if you want to go to previous or next, you can go. So if I do select previous, next, then it will show me the previous and next comment. So for now I want to hide this, then I can hide. If I point this cell here, and I can see my comment. And if I want to remove these comments all, I will select the run and right click and delete comment. So now the comments have been deleted. So this is a quick video that can help you to know the update and comment to this cell. So I found this, you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.